Internal block diagrams are a core part of SysML. They're used to show the internal structure of a system block, including its parts, ports, and how those parts interact through connectors. In this video, we're going to walk through how to create SysML internal block diagram in OpenDocs. If you want a version you can reuse across multiple pages, start by clicking the plus icon next to any node, then choose New Component Page. You'll see the diagram picker appear, prompting you to select a diagram type. Head over to Diagrams, then choose Internal Block Diagram. You'll enter the editor with a clean canvas where you can define blocks, add parts, create ports, and draw connectors to represent internal interactions. This is the SysML way of visualizing how a system is composed internally. You can build everything manually or use Create with AI to generate an initial draft. Just a quick reminder, using AI will replace anything already on your canvas. Once the draft is ready, refine it however you like. Rearrange parts, rename blocks, adjust ports, and expand the diagram until it accurately reflects your system's internal structure. When you're satisfied, click Save, then use the back arrow to return to your page. Your internal block diagram is now reusable, and you can insert it into any page whenever you need it. To add it to a page, open the editor, click Insert, choose Diagrams, and select Import Existing. Pick your diagram, and it will drop directly onto the page. If you only need the diagram once, you can also create it directly inside the page. Click Insert while editing, choose Diagrams, and select Internal Block Diagram. The editor opens, and you can build the diagram manually or let AI generate a starting point. And of course, you can modify the AI-generated version however you like. Save and close the editor, and your internal block diagram will appear on the page.